Smooth, rich, luxurious. Just a few of the words to describe pink and creamy, lotionized hand cleaner. Ideal for frequent hand washing, this all-synthetic, citrus fragranced hand cleaner conditions and protects skin better than most soaps. The abundant lather enables users to prolong their hand washing, increasing their chances of killing germs. Pink and Creamy is free rinsing, so users' hands are left clean, dry, and residue-free. The thick, semi-viscous formula reduces dispenser leak, leaving restroom facilities clean and easy to maintain.